The term human resources is well known, but not everyone is aware about the importance of HR in the company. In this video, we will discuss about the importance of human resources. So let's get started. We often hear that human resource department is a lifeblood of a business, or human resource department is a heart and soul for the business. But can you imagine a company without HR? Or just imagine HR not performing his duties and responsibilities. Do you have any idea what will happen next? Let me tell you. There will be no purpose and no plans. There will be so much chaos in the department. There will be hiring jam and it will destroy the hiring model. The workplace will become stressful and the environment also will become emotionless. What we need are a dreamer who can create and innovate with new directions and advances to connect and celebrate. And this is exactly what HR performs. We cannot imagine any organization that will run without people, right? Human resource management manages people, which is very crucial for the survival and the growth of the organization. Indeed, human resources is one of the fundamental pieces of the organization, and the reason is very simple, I guess. The essential element of every company is people. In the first place, people are the one who will develop the work, who will achieve the goal, and the one who contact other people. If these people are poorly directed and do not have enough motivation, their work will not meet their personal and work expectation. Human resource department try to find those people who will contribute more value to the firm and those people who will be most suited for this job. But beyond that, they are also in charge of motivating them, of achieving their objective, of remunerating the contribution to the company, and of achieving their self-realization. Now let's discuss some of the importance of human resources. The first importance is recruitment and onboarding. The first and foremost thing a person can think that how human resources help an organization is by conducting the interview without any hassle. From finding and connecting with the candidates to holding the interview process needs a lot of patience and understanding. And human resources professional can do it very efficiently and in very effective way. Second importance is management. Managing a workforce is not an easier job and it becomes quite massive in large tasks or in long run. In this situation, human resources plays a vital role by managing the employees of the organization. Third importance is training and development. We are always look out for the growth and development of ourselves. Similarly, employees also look out for the growth and their development in an organization. They expect from the organization that they will provide the opportunity to grow and develop. This is the time where human resources come in front and they help their employees in the growth and the development of their skills. Fourth importance is keeping a check on employee satisfaction. Your engagement will go into the vain if your employees is not satisfied. The satisfaction may pamper from different to different factors, but here human resources come in front and they talk to their employees and they get into the root of their employees that what is the thing that their satisfaction are not fulfilled, and keeping in that mind they take a certain measures to fulfill their satisfaction. So these were the basic importance of human resources. As we have discussed the importance of human resources, now it is clear that human resources is not only about managing people, but also it covers a lot of aspects in the company, whether it is starting from the employees to the end of the organization or starting from the recruitment of the employee to planning the strategy for a company. If the human resource department will not work correctly, it is more likely that the other department will also fail. In the summary, I wanted to say that the task carried out by the human resources should not be underestimated, as it plays a vital role in the development and in the strategy making of the company. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Thank you so much.